Hi, I'm Charlie.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Malen.
Croeso. We are from Ysgol Henry Richard. We are one of the only schools in the UK to have a school-owned working farm.
We have 9 acres in 4 fields. We have 30 Welsh mountain sheep grazing throughout the year. Our aim is to introduce, measure and make biodiversity work on our farmland.
We would like to introduce herbal layers, which is a working wildflower meadow, as well as planting hedgerows in between our fields and building insect hotels for our pollinating species.
As well as measuring biodiversity, our agriculture pupils will be able to measure the effects with our flock of sheep. We are not just doing this plan for our wildlife, we are doing it for the people in our community. As a school, we want to show and to lead positive change.